be showing you guys how you guys can schedule and upload a TikTok video on your TikTok. Now this feature is only available for the website version of TikTok. So if you're trying to schedule a TikTok video on the app version, it's not gonna work. You have to come to tiktok.com and log in into your account and then try to upload video from your desktop, and then only it's gonna work, alright? So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before to go to tiktok.com, log in into your account. I've already done that. You can see the upload button, click on it. Once you click on upload, it's going to take you to the upload section. Now wait for some time until the upload page loads up. Now once over here, you can enter the title of the video however you want. So I'm just going to write random for the title. And over here, click on select file and choose a video from your PC, alright? You can choose whichever video you want from over here, alright? So I'm just going to choose a random video. Now after the video is uploaded, and I can choose the cover over here as well. After choosing the cover, you can see schedule video. Make sure to turn this option on and click on allow. Most people say they don't see the schedule video option because you need to have a business account or a creator account in order to have a schedule video option available. So if you're using a personal account, make sure to switch it to business or creator, then you're going to get this option, and then you can choose the date over here by clicking on it and the time over here by clicking on it, and click on schedule, and this video will be scheduled and it's going to be uploaded at the time you chose over here. Alright, so yeah,